Right guys, don't walk to Marks and Spencer's, run to Marks and Spencer's. First off, like always, grab a basket and let's get to it. Grab yourself some turkey mince. This one is only £3.11, reduced from £4.50. Next on the list, grab yourself some Marks and Spencer's unsmoked bacon. Also, you want to grab yourself some stuffing. Next on the list, you want to get yourself some cranberry sauce, or if you're American, cranberry jam. And finally, grab yourself some tortilla mini wraps. Lucy, cook me something up.
Easy. So we're back home now, guys, and I'm going to be making some turkey tacos. Now I'm going to make these with a little bit of like a Christmas twist. So I've got some turkey mince there. So I'm going to start off with making my stuffing. Now I'm going to use all this because I want some to save anyway. And I'm just going to make it up with some water. Right, once that's mixed up, I'm just going to cut my bacon. Now, I'm not going to use all this because I won't need to use it all because it's going to get cut up finely. So I'm going to use half the packet as so. So I'm going to get this on here and cut this into small pieces. So now that's all chopped up, I'm going to get that into the air fryer. And also, the stuffing is going to go into the other side as well. Now, if you haven't got an air fryer, you can stick it in the oven. It's totally up to you. But I'm just doing this because it's easy for me. And guys, why not press the follow button for more savvy meal ideas and new foods? So they're going to go into the air fryer now. They'll only need about 15 minutes on 160. So whilst they're cooking away, I'm just going to prep my mince. So the mince is going straight into the bowl. I'm going to add some herbs, some garlic granules, some salt, and some pepper. I'm going to mix this all up. I'm going to do this with my hands as well and get that all kneaded in. So get some of your turkey mince out and then spread that all over the wrap. As you can see, like I've done with the other ones, quite thinly because we're going to put these in the frying pan in a minute. And just to show you now, that is made up 6. So get your wrap and get that straight into a frying pan. So that is it. I've done all 6 tacos now, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to add to mine. Now, if you want to add apple sauce, that's also good to add in as well. But I'm going to be using the cranberry sauce. So I'm going to get this onto my wrap. I love cranberry sauce as well, so get a good load on there. Also some bacon bits, get these on as well. And also the stuffing. Like I said, you can add whatever you like to yours. I love stuffing. And then there you go, guys. You can wrap them up as a wrap or as a taco. So let's get in. Absolutely delicious. Guys, why not try it yourself?